Hi, my name is Logan Olson, and today we're going to be talking about TIG manufacturing process. What is TIG welding? TIG welding is known as tungsten inert gas welding. It is also called gas tungsten arc welding, known as GTAW, and it is also called heli arc welding. In this process, a non-consumable tungsten electrode gets held in a TIG torch, where a high temperature is created through an electric arc, which will then melt the metal, joining the two separate pieces together. The amount of applied heat is typically controlled by a foot pedal or a thumb wheel on a torch. A DC power supply will be used for metals such as stainless steel, while you may use a AC alternating current power supply for metals like aluminum. And this cleans off some of the oxides that aluminum leaves over. Furthermore, TIG welding is a full circuit process, and what I mean by that is that you'll have voltage hooked up to the torch and the workpiece leading back into the welding machine. And lastly, you have inert gas supply, which consists of tungsten gas, which consists of helium and argon, and that shields the oxygen from entering the weld. Here's a video I found online of someone TIG welding aluminum. You could see his usage of the filler wire and the torch at a certain angle moving in one direction as he carefully makes a uniform pattern go through here. And this is what the final product ended up looking like. Now let's look over a few advantages to TIG welding. TIG welding uses inert gas, which produces higher quality welding results. The weld is more precise, so you'll have a better outcome compared to other welding types like MIG and STIG. TIG welding also gives you more angle for you to move the torch, so you could weld in different positions. TIG welding is also a more versatile tool for different types of metals compared to other welding methods. TIG welding also creates fewer fumes and smoke, which ultimately makes TIG welding safer and cleaner compared to other welding techniques. It leaves fewer contaminants and it reduces the potential hazards created from welding. Now, some disadvantages is that TIG welding is a slower process compared to MIG and stick. The initial setup needed for TIG is expensive, not to mention you need experienced welders, which makes this process more expensive. I won't go too in depth into alternatives, but there's MIG welding, stick welding, and I've seen a facility use orbital welding since it's programmable and it doesn't require as much skilled labor. And these are my references. Thank you for watching.